contestants we have today. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself, well forward to the camp and well forward to the show. You understand? Only thing we want to know right now is just to bring it. And just lone winnings. Alright? Fourth staging right now. You know what I mean? And this is the 3rd of September. The 4th talent show going on, right? Yes. Alright, so you know, we have to big up all sponsors right now. We have to big up all the new judges. You get involved inside of 100% Talent Jamaica and big up all the new sponsors also. You know what I mean? I just want to big up MJ Promotion. You know what I mean? Big respect to you. Manners and respect to you. You know what I mean? And welcome on board on the 100% Talent Jamaica team. Alright, so MJ Promotion, big up yourself. Alright, so we could get straight inside the show right now. Alright, so the first artist will be performing today. Tyreek, make your way to center stage. And this is one of our new contestants, you know what I mean, for the 100% Talent Jamaica. Well forward to the show and not just lone winnings. Introduce yourself to Jamaica and the world. See the camera them there. Next level fame, boss. Introduce yourself. Welcome.
My name is Tyreek Henry and I'm from St. Catherine, Linstead.
But the bruise and the way it hurts. For months and then I had my doubts, denying every tear. I wish this would be over now, but I know that I need you here. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. By the way you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. You've been so unavailable. No, sadly I know why. Your heart is unobtainable, but I know God knows you kept mine. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one.
Yes, I'm telling you, Tyreek. A good song from Tyreek, me I tell you the band voice, yeah. It might go on good. So we're gonna start with the first female judge right now. Yes, Stacey-Ann. It look like you want to say something. It look like it make your smile go weird on one part. What you think about his performance?
Great, he did a good job. With a little more training, trust me, you're going good. You're going good. Right? So with a little more training, you'll be there.
Alright, so him just need
just a little more voice training.
A voice training.
Yeah, Nero can lead him.
Alright, hope you take that advice. And I mean, alright, Nero, as a male general, you know what I mean, judges, yeah.
Fully. Alright, so for me, the voice is your voice is great, but as fellow judge companion say, you need a little bit more attention to detail, because when you go sing falsetto, my friend, can't crack. You understand? So with that said, you know what I mean, come on, have to see you fall back against it, so you don't know. and take away the shyness, man. You don't know.
I think him can do him thing. Kisha Las Vegas.
You know, because he is just auditioning, we just want to determine if he moves on and join the team contestants for the 100% talent. And so far what we've seen, obviously, you know, so he will continue in the competition, and your audition was well done. There is room for improvement, and you know, my apology. Welcome to 100% talent.
You sound good. All right, so remember to put in the vote. You know what I mean? If you really like him and you want him to stay in the competition, put in the vote for Tyreek. He's the new contestant. Big up yourself, bro. All right, all the best. Yeah, how you mean? So the talent show, we're just moving on.
Do you need your wedding videotaped? Do you need a commercial or an interview done? Then call Sunshine Video Production. We videotape and edit functions, graduations, stage shows, music videos, and even funerals. We have a video studio and offer help with your marketing and promotional planning. So WhatsApp or call us at 883-0525.
So introduce yourself well forward, you know what I mean, as a new contestant to the 100% Talent Jamaica, and I wish you all the best, my boss. Introduce yourself to Jamaica and the world.
All right, pleasant good day, everyone. The name is Chef here. I'm from Portmore. Yeah. Hey, heads up, really insecure in your French cut. Who you look so good, mush me meds up. Feel me need a search, girl, put your hands up. You light up my world. No one night stand, keep me cool like a inverter fan. Anything me I do, girl, you're in my plan. Seal you are the one to give me first birth. No prevention, keep it risky, Davido plan. Say everything you want to, girl, you're in my plan. Seal you are the one, yeah. Ooh, babe, tell me this, how did it feel when God was removing your wings and sending you to earth? Was the feeling pure or a discomfort? Baby, it's a relaxation when you come to mine. Your tiger stripes reveal the realness of your outlines. Keep it real and the way you speak stimulate my mind. I'm so intrigued by your designs, you light up my world. No one night stand, keep me cool like an inverter fan. Anything me I do, girl, you're in my plan. Seal you are the one to give me first birth. No prevention, keep it risky, Davido plan. Say everything you want to, girl, you're in my plan. Seal you are the one, yeah. Don't wanna see you like this, girl, all up in your feelings. And you look so good, girl, you look so good. Girl, don't waste your time and let some foolish decline destroy your peace of mind. Woman, you deserve this, some tender loving.
Nah, man.
Hey, I think the woman them really deserve some tender loving, you know what I mean? Big up yourself. What is your name again?
Name is Chef here, Chef here.
Chef here. All right, big up yourself. What do you think about his performance right now? We get the judges them involved. Hey, Ara General, what go on? Remember you say Ara, you know, and Tasha Arolin. So you know you're excited.
Boys. Yeah, you know the thing go. Big up yourself, my artist. Give thanks for you being a part of the competition. As me idea, take the time out for come be a part of the competition. The high voice bad. As me the topic where you sing about. Respect that topic there. You see me I deal with the female them. You see me I deal with just the one you interact more with even the female judge. So you can who and I judge them, you know.
Yeah.
You know what me I deal with because you have them song there.
Yeah.
You see me interact. You see me, but we are seeing more in a competition. You see me, big up yourself. Me rate the high talent. You see?
Alright, me I tell you so much talent right now. Trust me, you bring it, bro. You know what I mean? So we'll move on to a female artist, Lady Tash. Yeah.
It was a steady performance. You understand? I like how you really made what you were singing and I was feeling it. But as I said, the interaction could have been more. But it's a good performance.
Alright, so you know you're winning, my bro. You don't know manners and respect. Alright, so remember, if you really like the artists, remember to put in the vote and keep it in the competition. Alright, so big up yourself. All the best, my boss. Turn up the beat with him. Turn up the beat. Yeah. Alright, so we're moving to our next performance right now. Our third performance for the evening. You know what I mean? The next performer, make your way, introduce yourself to all the judges and all the media persons watching us right now, all the TV persons right now. Welcome to 100% Talent Jamaica. Introduce yourself, my boss. Let's do.
Yeah, man. To the judges and everybody knows that DJ Ital. I will come to sing some conscious song for the people. Because right now, everybody has to have life. You understand? Because I know dead somebody know the writer, so give me my rhythm. I know see the flavor. When you have life, but what there be people are dying, you know. What you know? My life. Love me, love my life. What you know, no? Me say me love my life. Love me, love my life. A long time me a fight. Just to make it in a life. Me just love my life. Love me, love my life. A long time me a fight. Just to make it in a life. Yeah, me never do know. Me never get up every day and just burn ganja. Me never sit down like a fool pan a street corner. Me not stay upon jail and me a search for water. Jaja give me the strength so me work harder, yeah. Remember upon the ends me used to burn coal for ya. Me do me own thing, no boss boy can't fire. True to the bone, me never call you liar. Jaja give me the strength, Ital. My life, love me, love my life. A long time me a fight. Just to make it in a life. Me just love my life. Me know you love your life. A long time me a fight. Just to make it in a life. All of the people them. Me love me life in a night. Me love it in a day. Every day me get up, me kneel and pray. Me give thanks for life. Jaja guide the way. For the children, me say me want a better day. No innocent. Ital representing.
Hey! Hey, be I telling the bad fall for wake up the show. What is the artist name again?
You know, sir, DJ Ital representing.
Boy, be I tell him festive body now. If ready for the show and our new contestants, right? Alright, so we just move into our judges right now. See there? Be I tell you. Alright, Nero, what you think about the artist performance? Trust me, the band say this another 9 night. He might wake up the place. Nero.
So as a first timer, we would like to welcome you to the talent show. The 100% Talent Jamaica. But right here, we see the panel here. The panel here named No Laughing Panel, alright? But I'm going to give you the forward for that one because you've utilized the stage even though it's a small platform, you utilize it, you engage the judges and stuff. Basically engage the audience then, right? So I will be seeing you more after this.
Alright, man, active, ready for the show. 100% Talent Jamaica. Alright, big up yourself, my boss. Hey, turn up the rhythm right now. Hey, catch your vibes, everybody catch your vibe. Get your little vibe now. 100%, we get your little vibe now. Alright, turn on that beat right now. Hey, we could keep the show excited and keep the show alive right now. All contestants, we're moving on to another contestant right now. This artist go by the name of Daddy. Da-da-dee. Da-di-da. Da-di-da-da-da-dee. Alright, forward, my boss. You know what thing going on. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-dee. Introduce yourself right now to 100% Talent Jamaica. All the viewers watching you right now. Hey, you're moving to another level right now. Introduce yourself, my boss.
Yeah, man. Official. Da-di-da. Is it? Whenever I go for girl. Yeah, good afternoon. This is Daddy, is it? I'll guess judge. Big up. Yeah, official. Yeah, I'm gonna kick it when I'm ready, man. Official, you know. When I'm go for girl, you know. Da. All school, new floor. Now you they tell me say you love a man no pull trigger. She say you even have to ask you are the best nigga. Then she say remember me the one about the body ya. And me say remember man I done the thing no regular. Baby where you are make we cruise pon the ferry car. Anywhere you are Louis V Gucci Fendi bra no matter the cost. Baby twerk me No hourglass, me no, you no regular. Me Nicki Minaj and me love it when you back it up in a your Jordan. They fly, dash it out pan the gargan. Wagwan, I look a soldier, me warban. She say anytime you ready, better say we make a star band. Shift the, move the organ. Say the girl a time if you real she know. Oh, you do the match there. 100 out of 10, I wear that say. Your Bentley, the mother girl, they your taxi. You know your mabella put a ticket on the box there. Oh, you do the match there. 100 out of 10, I wear that say. Your Bentley, the mother girl, they your taxi. Love it when they go sabo do pandage. Watch it now, nobody them make me want married. Babes, this and no laughter thing. If you still live at Jamaica, them would don't want go foreign. I never own them my heart. You bring my mind and my soul that are torturing. Them used to call it twinny, but now me feel like a half a twin. Long figure you some. You and the boss a chill. All your ex them a stalk. You still 1 in a million. Oh, you do that. 100 out of 10 away.
Hey, me I tell you, no, me I tell you, excited man, bro. Hey, welcome to the show. Hey, moving on to our judges right now, Kisha Las Vegas. What you think about Dada D?
Dada D, da da da.
Trouble.
Oh, come on. In a time like now that is so negative, you just bring some fun back into the day. We love you and welcome to 100% Talent. I like it.
All right, the artists, if I bring it, may I tell you, make some noise for the artists. Our general. Boy, if you pass the artist, you know. Maybe hear what you have to say. Because you always been hurling all these talented people.
Level down your rhythm, you know.
Trouble.
Bad artist. Da da da, right. That's the name, da da da. Da di da. Da di da. You over the me I did. You say your song bad. Believe me, I tell you, the concept, I like the rhythm where you choose. You see me I deal with more me ear little breath control, but you see me? You know practice make perfect and you know when you rehearsal, you know it goes. You see me? So now you're a part of the show. Me personally, I look forward to where you're forward with. You see me? And you know more you rehearse and forward because you're bad in the youth, you're a bad artist, you know. Big up yourself, manners and respect.
All right, thank you for that one, our general. Hey, Stacian. Yeah, hold on, don't move. Stacian, make you say something. Maybe hear what you have to say about Dada D.
So the girls them get 100 out of 10. We don't know it go. We love it.
Yeah.
We like it, man. You're going with yourself. Yeah.
All right, all the viewers, remember when you say Daddy, or just make sure to support him to keep him inside the show. Pick up yourself, my boss. I don't know, make sure we see you in the next round. Hey, oh, you mean? Hey, Daddy D. Hey, da. Hey, Daddy D. Hey, 100% Jamaica talent show. Well excited. All right, we're moving on to our another artist right now. Artists, make your way to center stage. Hey, trust me, so much new talent, Nero. The talent them come out, you know. Me no see nobody drop no catch. So if you know, say alone winning. Right, Lady Tash? I just want them here. Introduce yourself to Jamaica, my boss. 100% talent show. Welcome. What you mean? We're glad to see you. Do your thing.
Bless up. You don't know. Good evening to all the judges. $1 million voice. You don't know. Big up. This is G Loyal, straight from Portmore, aka Cashmore. Dope them. That's right. I for make this girl from all over. Want it to love ya. Them want do it undercover. Me no care anyway you want it, or you will get the love ya. Yeah. Girl text she want somebody. Lonely and she need company. WhatsApp text make she honey. Say she want link up shortly. Show for to the location. Me grab about 3,000. Me smoke about 10 jet and me text her. Home alone she there and she naughty by nature, yeah. And Nicki me not so ready fi jump out from the street right away. And when me go deep in she wet, like gamble, me stick the deck. Poker, she can't forget. Same time me a shuffle up the yes. Girl text she want somebody. Lonely and she need company. WhatsApp text make she honey. Say she want link up shortly. Show for to the location. Me grab about 3,000. Me smoke about 10 jet and me text her. Me love gal we build me vibe And no afraid fi do the thing me like. And before me think me get surprised, girl pull me belt, look in me eyes. She circle it over with the ring. Girl climb the rope, me make she swing. Until she erratic pant rhythm. Energetic, hypnotic, yoga thing. Text come in. Girl text, you want somebody. Loan. That's right.
Hey ladies, please to text me if you really want somebody. G Lion, ladies, give it up for G Lion, the man if you don't like him. What the same, excited? Hey, we started right now for the female judges right now. You know what I mean? Lady Tash, what you think about his performance? Him got tongue ring, him say some soppy dive song. Him a go on, him excited?
Alright. I really think you bring the energy, right? But I think when I'm really listening, I think that you weren't really inclined with the rhythm, you know, at some point in time, but you hold your composure still. You understand me? But come on the stage is not an easy thing. Respect my you. Go on the road.
Alright, so you hear right now, make sure you take that words of advice, you know what I mean? Alright, so Nero, get yourself active, my boss! Yeah.
Outside like all the time. Big up Harolin.
Harolin.
So for me, it's the same thing because you utilize the stage. You never stutter with lyrics. You're confident. So we'll have to see in the next talent show. So you go for me, you know what I mean?
Alright, G Lion represent Portmore. Big up my boss. Big up myself, 100% talent Jamaica right now. G Lion, excited? Him DJ, excited? 100% talent Jamaica right now. We're moving on to another contestant.
One more time. Alright, don't stop the dancing. One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, alright.
Oh, she's a beautiful female. You know what I mean? You're gonna introduce yourself to Jamaica and the world, and the 100% talent, beautiful judges right here. You know what I mean? Introduce yourself. Make sure you bring it.
Alright, my name is Tonian. I'm from the beautiful parish of St. Catherine, Portmore.
My love, there's only you in my life, the only thing that's right. My first love, yeah, your every breath that I take, your every step I make. And I want to share all my love with you. No one else will do. And your eyes, they tell me how much you care. You will always be my endless love. Two hearts that beat as one. Our lives have just begun. And forever, I'll hold you close in my arms. I can't resist your charms. No. And love, I'll be that fool for you. I'm sure that you know I don't mind. You know I don't mind. Baby, you mean the world to me.
speechless. That's how you make me feel. Hey, me can't sing, but me have to try out for that singing something there a while ago. She represent Portmore. What is your name again?
Tonian.
Hey, this is Tony and represent Portmore. Trust me, another brilliant talent to go to the world right now. All right, so our general, Jesus Christ, we are tell you, our general, what you think about this beautiful female we have standing right here on 100% Talent Jamaica.
Yo, Vice. Yo, Vice. Blessed good evening. You know what I mean? Yeah, your vocals speak for itself. You see me I deal with. Little most you have one choir right here, so cause the judge them almost them start sing. To you get. You over me I deal with, so welcome. Pleasure for you being here. You know what I mean? And we're gonna see you more, so I'm there for open and wait for you. Me's a fun here right now, you know. Yeah, you see me?
Alright, thank you, our general, for that one. Keisha, Las Vegas, what you think about this beautiful female right here on stage, 100% talent, doing this for all young act?
You know, I want to cheer you on from the start. You made this fun. You're able to connect with the older set of judges because we're no longer 19 and we accept that. But the fact that you can find a song suitable to connect with us, that was so cool. I swear, I loved it. If I were judging you, you know I'd give you a 10. Very good, and welcome to 100% Talent. I would say it was what you said, a tasteful performance. Very good.
All right, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Portmore, you represented. I mean, what is your name again? Tell the world.
Tonian.
Okay, so this is Tony. Make sure you put in the vote to keep her in the competition. Make sure we see her in the next round. Bring it to the table. Make some noise for Tony Ann. Well excited. All right, we're moving on to another contestant right now. And the show is getting so excited. And she just make goosebumps take over all of my body. And then she make me could talk a while ago. So me have to go speechless. Pick up yourself. Clark's him going on. Rich. Watch ya. Big up yourself, my boss. Him have a billion. Watch a billion gang. Represent, bro.
Don't know Akeem done. Portmore live as here. Run murder them, please. Can't stop a great fighter. Can't stop a great fighter. Them can't stop a great fighter. Can't stop a great fighter. Them can't stop a great fighter. 100% of the hear me? Tired for parent, rich life me no patient. Tired for cook and wood fire, tired for living ancient. Tired of the one room where they under the basement. Me even have a job where me can go collect a paycheck. Me here say them already have me grave make, but me them stay there. No snake nah no rat can procrastinate my greatness. Me I get larger when they meet me. I buy the most time me created. Yo, grow rough, never soft like Angela. Rough inna the street, ever up like antenna. And me work for me things, you look pandemia. Right fi fat like the road up a Mandela. Keep me eyes pan the goal, not fi bronze medal. Never you go bore, go shit not for 1 second. Never go funny for the money a fi and schedule. When me say man a fi and schedule, dog. Tired fi parent, rich life me nah no patient. Tired fi cook and wood fire, tired fi living nation. Tired of the one room where they under the basement. Me even have a job me can go collect a paycheck. Me here say them already have my grave make, but me them stay there. No snake nah no rat can procrastinate my greatness. Me I get larger when they meet me. I buy the most time me created. Money I fi make, me G me dance so give me no star. You know see me go admit me and me killis go par. SD me pray me could be pre no mini garage. Entourage them no for them pit me go war. Man firm so you coulda never see me stutter touch easy ground the boat house to feet so me go for. Me know the dirty bugger them want me fit turn a cruffer. But I'm more cash and up and up and up and up. Tired fi parent, which me no.
Hey, me I telling the bad same tired for parent. You know that's something that get us something there. We want to move from one level to another level. I'm telling you, he's so excited. Pick up yourself. What is the name again, my boss?
Don't know. Keep Dan. Keep Dan.
Keep Dan. You represent Portmore. All right. So our first judges right now, Lady Tash. What you think about this young man right here? He represent Portmore. Oh my God.
Portmore for sure. You remember keep what? Keep Dan. I love how you represent for the ghetto youth that will want to elevate themselves. You understand what I say? You engage with the audience, I like that, but you see that like a stutter thing there? Yeah, sometimes when you drop off, you don't have to make it so obvious. You understand? If you just hold it and continue, but good message, good artist. You understand?
Thank you for that, Lady Tash. All right, Stacey, and what you think about his performance? Hey, Magwan, I'm excited.
Yeah, man, I'm excited. Same thing what Tash said. We like it when you represent for the greater youth. You don't know it, go already positive, and you know you want to come out, so you just start doing it. So like it.
Hey, the man say more come out of the red summer. Big up yourself, my boss. I don't know the judge them love you. You know what I mean? Hopefully, all the viewers out there, remember, represent for all contestants right here on 100% Talent Jamaica. Oh, you mean? Next round, my boss. Big up yourself. Oh, you mean? Hey, new basement, new place, rich life. What go on? Alright, so moving on to our next contestants right now. 100% Talent Jamaica right now, moving all talent to another level. You know what I mean? We have to big up everybody who make this show possible right now. Big up on yourself. It is my birthday, and I'm your host, $1 Million Voice. Alright, so you don't know. Hey, excited talent show.
Can't keep his mind on nothing else.
In my life, stress and pain. Them see me a one day be in
It's a time for cry and a time for laugh.
Me nah make poverty get the best of me. Badness are where everybody want a pair of man buy up and a
Life goes on, love goes on.
It a jiggle, everything a jump. Oh yeah, but some make man want attack you. When your one is like
how the country a run so. What kind of world is to bring with child in?
I just shot a
Money a the free for really alien boss. They pin up the scheme for real.
A chopper lawyer, chopper bait, a chopper clown them.
Everything expensive, young and healthy, wealthy, like me do forex exchanges.
Portmore say excited. Talent show. Excited.